Okay, so since you've not comment patchy, so let's do the patch. Here is it in my bag. Ah! So there is a printer bag. This is what I call. Let's paint this one. Try that one. We're just gonna use this. It's ASMR.
Sige lang, kaya ako lang naibili niya.
Walang bigat, walang puot, walang galit.
Like for part 2.